Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can cancel transfer on Remitly. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, all you gotta do is, first thing first, to cancel a Remitly transfer, you have to simply log into your Remitly account. Open up your Remitly app, make sure it's an updated one, log in, and then navigate to the transfer you want to cancel on your home screen. Simply have to scroll to the bottom. Right, once you have found this specific transfer that you want to cancel, scroll to the bottom and then check out the transfer details and tap on cancel transfer. Now the confirmation is required. Confirm your cancellation to finalize the process and you're good to go. Now one thing that you have to note and make sure is that your transaction has to be still continued or in the process. If it's completed, then you cannot cancel. The money has been transferred from your account to that person's account already. It cannot be returned. You have to simply make sure that your transfer is still continuing or still processing, so you can cancel the transfer. It will cancel it midway and you're good to go. That is it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.